Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure you are signed in with an administrator account and create a restore point. Once ready, open Command Prompt as administrator or press Windows plus R and run msconfig. You should immediately run bcdedit and note the current timeout value and the identifier for the default operating system. This prevents mistakes. Make sure to write these values down. Now that you have tools and data, you will change the boot selection behavior. Next, you execute the changes. Run bcdedit/enum to list entries and copy the identifier for the OS you want as default. Once done, run bcdedit/default identifier to ensure Windows boots that entry automatically. Then type bcdedit/timeout0 to remove the selection pause. This tells the boot manager to skip the menu. If you prefer a small delay, use a positive number like 3. Make sure to watch for confirmation message. Finally, reboot to verify Windows now boots directly to the selected OS without showing the menu. If an unwanted entry still appears, boot back to admin command prompt and remove it with bcdedit/delete identifier. Once complete, confirm bcdedit shows the chosen default and timeout set to 0. If the system fails to boot, use Windows Recovery Media, open command prompt, and run bcdedit/timeout30, then bcdedit/default current to regain access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.